So this is my GX460, and the lights at the bottom of the doors on the passenger side are jacked up. This is 81230-06040 courtesy lamp assembly. So it's a real simple procedure. As you can see, this one's kind of jacked up. Doesn't want to stay in there. It's just too loose. All I have to do is hold this down and pull it apart. Make sure the light's still on, which it is. And bam, nice tight fit. Light is on. Good to go. I'm actually going to save my old bulbs in case any of these bulbs ever go out. There you go. 5 seconds. If you want to save the bulb, this little hood just slides right off and you have access to the bulb. So now I have 2 extra bulbs for my car.